In this video, I'll guide you through how to export contacts from Freshsales. Whether you're managing a small team or a large enterprise, having a backup of your contacts is crucial for maintaining your business continuity. Exporting contacts from Freshsales is a straightforward process that ensures you have your valuable data available whenever needed. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to freshsales.com. This is the gateway to accessing your Freshsales dashboard. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Freshsales account. Having your credentials handy can save you some time here. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the familiar Freshsales interface. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon. This is your entry point to the administrative controls. Click on the icon to access the admin settings. This area is where you can manage various aspects of your Freshsales account, from user permissions to data management. Now that you're in the admin settings, the next step is to click on Account Settings. This option allows you to configure the specifics of your account, including data export options. Clicking here will lead you to a page with various settings related to your account management. Interestingly, you'll need to click on Account Settings once more. This repetition is necessary because it takes you to a more detailed menu where you can control advanced features of your account. Keep an eye out for any submenus or additional options that might appear, as these can often provide more detailed settings related to your needs. Finally, look for the option labeled Export Data. This is the key step in the process. By clicking on Export Data, you initiate the export process that allows you to download your contacts. Depending on the amount of data and your internet speed, the export might take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you'll have your contacts in a downloadable file format, typically CSV, which is versatile for most spreadsheet applications. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Freshsales. It's always a good idea to regularly back up your contact data, especially if you're planning on making significant changes to your database or if you're transitioning to a new CRM platform. This simple guide will help ensure that your data remains safe and accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of exporting contacts from Freshsales clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy exporting!